Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. I'd like to get there and say this video is proudly brought to you by Metal Man Tools. So on this video is made up of a bunch of short little clips that I've done while I was doing a bit more work on the HD left guard, and that. So it's made up of a few areas and bits and snippets of filming of I think it was one or two of the repairs that I had done, and that. So there's still two more things that I've got left to do on it, but I'm not going to bore you guys with finishing another video of them because it's not big, it's not going to be long, and basically with what I've already done, which is now the part like 8, I think it is. I think it's dragged on a little bit too long. So this will be the last video on the repairs of that. What we're going to do after this, the next series of videos, is rebuilding the HR disc brakes, and that. So new bearings, new seals, new piston cups for the calipers, straightening out the backing plates and getting them in shape, painting them, painting the hubs a bit and all that sort of stuff. So there'll be a few parts, but the first part after this video will be tearing them down, excuse me, and getting onto them. So anyway, I hope you all enjoy the bits and pieces of this video. Please like, subscribe, share, comments are great. I love replying back to comments. Also, if you got stickers, I've got a metal cabinet that I want to put everyone's stickers on. So that cupboard over there is a metal cabinet. I want to put stickers all on that one of everyone's channels that follow and that, and who I'm friends with through YouTube, and that, and yeah, do a sticker wall again. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get cracking, and hope you guys like this video. Hey everyone, just a quick one. Needing to get this guard done, so I'm not filming it, the rest of it, but I'll show you the work. So this, where's it gone? This section here was the rusty bit, and that's the new bit in there. What I've done is I've left the original lip in there, and I'm just spot welding it back up, grinding the new lip down, and then spot welding it, put the hole in, a couple of plug welds in there, and there's a couple of tacks on there to hold that in. So yeah, it's just about done. Just gotta finish that bit off and then cap the top. Until next time, stay safe, keep the upside down, and don't forget, like, subscribe and share. Cheerio. Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. So, we had been filming the repairs on the guard, we have left it for now, because we're on a time crunch and we're trying to, well, I'm trying to get it done. So yesterday we done this, and we started to re-weld the original lip back to the new one, and we've just buttered it up as close as we can, hammered it along to match the edge, and then been welding it up and then grinding it back to give us that edge. So that was yesterday's job. Today's job was cutting out this bit of rusty section, and hand falling another one to go in, which is there. This section is not as prominent as it's meant to be, but it's given me that section there. Clean the welds up, do a couple of spot welds in along around the side here, and cleaned up. So well, that's the new section. Some pits through there and the end chewed off. Grabbed a bit of brass, wherever that's gone to, copper there, and welded that section up. Tack welded the split in there up, and then we're just going to do this bit here tomorrow as well. So when we do that and clean all that up, then we'll come along and clean the underside of this one up. We've got one little hole drill there, and then clean the front up as well, and that will be all the repairs on this section of the guard. And then we've got to come along and either use this full section, which welds into this part here, or I'll just cut it along the edge in the middle of the lip, and then cut it in and fold it that way. And then we're on to nipping this back, and then modifying this section to go along there, because I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a bolt hole there too, and a bolt hole there, and yeah, and that's the whole complete guard done. Hasn't been easy, put it that way. So that's just a quick update. Till next time, keep the rubber side down, and please like, subscribe, share, comment, you name it, all the above. Till next time, stay safe. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just a workshop update video on what's been happening in the last couple of weeks. As you all know, I've been doing videos repairing the left HD guard from all the rust. Got one little bit more to do, but it's close enough to being done. I'm not 100% happy with it, but it's basically done. Some filler work and that sort of stuff, and blocking and that, and it'll take the imperfections out. But I'll flip you around and I'll give you a show. So that's the front all done. As you all remember, that this here was all rusted out, and all up here was rusted out. Not happy with what's happened with the body, the swage line there, but as I said, bit of filler work, it will do the job. Some little imperfections there, like if I was not trying to get rid of the guard this weekend, I'll have to rub that back and repaint that, then I'd probably go along and undo the welds for the wheel lip and get in and tap that little crease out, and heat that area up and bodywork it a bit more, and that same with that little bit here and that. But it's done. I've done the inner, I've done that section, I've repaired the front and back here. I've just got to do this little bit here, and I've just got to clean the welds up along the top of that bit up there. So once that's cleaned up, then I can give that a lick of primer, and I'll lick of etch, and then that's done as well. And then we've done up in here. So we've done all that, repaired all that, So yeah, so it's done. Hopefully I can get rid of it tomorrow at the swap meet. And yeah, long, strenuous work on this one. Just a fucking pain. So I'm going to try and make some tooling so I can actually do that whole lip in one fast swoop and weld it in. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Till next time. I think the next job that we're going to tackle, yeah, they are up there, but we need to do some of the work on this. So we'll get on and we'll start taking the disc brakes apart and rebuilding them and getting them on the car. And then after that we'll get stuck into trying to repair these two. So yeah, anyway, till next time, stay safe, keep your upside down, and please like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to comment. I like reading the comments. So yeah, till next time, stay safe, cheerio.